Hey guys, Rachel here, and I'm about to show you a Cherokee. It is a travel trailer and it is, I believe, a 2024. I love this trailer. Now, if you're looking for maybe a couples coach or something without bunks, this is super nice, and the price right now is absolutely insane. It's $37,995, I think. Let me check actually. $37,950. It's a 2024. So let's take a look from the outside in, and you guys tell me what you think. So Cherokee Limited. It has, I believe, dual opposing sides. Yes, it does. It is a tankless, so on demand. Its model number is 274WK. Love it. It's got two awnings, and I'm sure it's got the backup camera prep, but let's take a look. It's actually got the backup camera already done. Put your bikes on the back. All right, let's take a look inside because I think that you guys are really gonna like this. All right. so much space, and again, for the price for this it's crazy right now. And we have our fall sales event going on, so this is going to, I mean, I don't know, it's not going to last forever. So you guys, if you want information, let me know quickly. I'm sure it's going to go really fast, but let's take a look. We've got our beautiful dinette. Of course, it goes into a bed as well. Of course, you can make it into a couch, a big old couch. Everybody can have a seat in here. You've got your recliners, and they are so comfy. They are one of my favorites actually, because as soon as you sit down, it's like a pillow. It's amazing. But you've got a couch over here that also turns into a bed. You've got beautiful windows all the way around, and then you've got your entertainment on this side. You got your fireplace, and you got tons of storage too all the way around it. Lots of storage all the way around, and then you've got this big refrigerator, which it's one of my favorites, where you can open it up on both sides, which again I find amazing. I'm like a little kid. You've got your 3-burner, and you got your, I think this is a convection oven. Yes, it is. So everybody loves those. Everybody is starting to put those in their RVs and their tiny homes. So it's really nice, really easy, because you don't have, you're not taking up that space with the microwave, so you have more space to put other things. So you also have your beautiful island, and I love this island. It's not too big. It doesn't take up all the living room area, but it's a perfect size. So nice big sink in here. And then right down here, we've got our bathroom. Nice and big, plenty of space, plenty of storage. You can have a seat in here, not bump your knees. You can do your thing. Plus the door goes into the master bedroom on the other side as well. Nice and big. You can walk all the way around. Storage atop, storage on the sides. I believe it is a queen bed. I want to say that it's a queen bed. And then again, yeah, you can walk on both sides easily. So you guys tell me what you think of this. I mean, again, for the price,